For work groups to be successful, all members must pull their own weight. Successful group leaders must get some members to pull more than their fair share. If you don't want to use fear or punishment to motivate group members, persuasion is the only answer. And there is no greater persuasion than merit recognition and rewards. Behavioral psychologists have proven positive reinforcement of the right kind, at the right time, can produce a measurable increase in performance. The problem is acquiring and maintaining the data to reinforce the right person with the right reward at the right time. Merits4U is the brand name for a marketing niche that can increase workplace productivity, promote volunteerism, and sell items to be used as incentives and rewards. Merits4U gives you the keys to worker productivity with tools to link merit recognition and rewards to performance. The keys are: 1. Standards. 2. Feedback. 3. Recognition. 4. Reward. 5. Remedial reinforcement. 6. Reprimand. Merits4U Software helps you use the keys to motivate individuals in your group to excel to the limits of the group, or better. Motivated individuals set the example to motivate the group. The Merits4U brand name embodies recognition, appreciation, motivation, and engagement. The Merits4U.com website will sell software and services to business, sports, and education. Merits4U website users can set up, monitor, and manage custom recognition and reward programs to increase the profitability of existing labor and attract new workers with merit recognition perks. Job titles that need Merits4U include manager, supervisor, dispatcher, coach, teacher, and parent. I started the Merits4U project in 2006, having no idea it would take this long to get this far. As I got new parts of the project working, time made some completed parts obsolete and needing upgrade. I believe Merits4U is too valuable not to finish. But due to my age and health, the project needs a capable entrepreneur to take charge. I'm 84 years old. I've spent most of the last 30 years programming desktop software and websites. In total, I've had 12 heart procedures since 1991, including 2 quadruple bypasses, and 1 TMR where 30 laser holes were put in my heart. In spite of slowing down, I believe I can still give another 6 to 12 months support to the project. Are you interested in a co-founding partnership or full ownership of the Merits4U project? Merits4U keys to workplace productivity. Increase performance, production, and profitability. You can learn more at the Merits4U YouTube channel at Merits4U564/videos. And Merits4U website https://merits4u.com. My name is Curtis. I'm the developer of Merits4U. Email me with your interest for a prompt response, curtis@merits4u.com. Thanks for your attention. Download and use Merits4U Windows software free. Click video 1 for how to use Merits4U to work for you. Click video 2 to find out where Merits4U came from.